So we're inside my YouTube Creator Studio, and my first year of actually making videos on YouTube was 2018. As you can see, from January 1st to December 31st, 2018, I made an incredible $59.04. Now, 2019 was a huge year for me when it comes to subscribers, when it comes to starting actually to make money. So I'm going to show you 2019 and how much money I actually make for the whole year. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz. In this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Well, 2019 is gone and it's a brand new year, and many of you have requested that I create a video showing you guys exactly how much money I've made from YouTube in 2019. And that's exactly what I plan on doing on this video. Not only am I going to show you how much money I've made, I'm also going to show you my subscribers, how many views I got. Very quickly, I fell in love with the process of creating videos and seeing that people were actually watching my videos, leaving comments, liking my videos. And many of you have sent me DMs on Instagram thanking me for all the info that I provided with Facebook marketing, and some of you have made a lot of money on Facebook because of my videos. I provided as much value as I could, and many of you have decided to take action and run with it and make a lot of money. So I'm really proud of all the progress that I made in 2019. My subscribers, the people who keep watching my videos, the people who keep commenting on my videos. Thank you, all of you, for your continued support, and hopefully in 2020 I continue to bring you even more value and more videos that can help you in your business. So let's talk about what happened in 2019 with my YouTube channel. Well, in 2019 I decided that I was gonna take YouTube seriously. I was gonna post at least 2 to 3 videos per week every single week, and that's exactly what I did. I posted at least 2 videos per week. There was an entire week where I posted a video every single day, and I did a lot of videos on different topics, specifically on making money online, Facebook marketing, blogging, and many of my videos started ranking on the first page of YouTube, which brought a lot of new subscribers to my channel. Of course, you always want more. You always want to reach the numbers of 50,000, 100,000 subscribers, but it's definitely not an overnight thing. If you're building a YouTube channel right now, keep in mind that it takes time. It takes time for your videos to get views. It takes time for videos to rank on YouTube. It takes a lot of time, consistency, and hard work. So if you don't enjoy the process, you're not gonna make any money on YouTube. Like I just showed you in the beginning, my first year on YouTube, after posting a bunch of videos, I made 59 bucks. So that wasn't a lot of money. I wasn't gonna pay any bills with just 59 bucks. And so you have to love the process. You have to know that you're not gonna make a lot of money in the beginning. It might take you 2 years, 3 years to start making any money on YouTube, but you have to be consistent. As long as you're consistent and you know exactly what type of videos you wanna create, and you improve yourself, your channel, your videos every time that you can, you will progress on YouTube. You will actually get more subscribers, and of course you'll get more views and make more money. And of course, in this video we're only talking about the YouTube ad revenue, the money that I made from the ads that played on my videos, but I made a lot more money from affiliate sales, affiliate marketing, and selling my own course. And I'm gonna leave that for another video, which I'm gonna show you later in this channel. But in this video, we're gonna focus only on the YouTube ad revenue, how much money YouTube actually paid me to my bank account for 2019. But if you want to learn multiple ways to monetize your YouTube channel, what you could do is you can either go to my YouTube channel and watch some of my videos on monetizing your channel in many different ways, or you can also download my free affiliate marketing guide, which can teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing, which is basically promoting other people's products in your YouTube channel, in your blog, on Facebook, whatever it is that you want to use. So if you want to download it, it's completely free. You can download it in the link below. All right, so with that said, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into my YouTube Creator Studio and show you the numbers so you can see exactly how much money I've made. All right guys, so we're inside my YouTube analytics, and I want to show you my earnings for the last month, December 2019, and we're gonna break it down. I want to show you my subscribers. I want to show you my revenue for 2019 so you can see how much money I've made for the entire year, and what a huge difference that was from 2018, where I just made 59 bucks for the whole year. So if you had a job that only paid you $59 for the entire year, would you actually take it? And most people would say no, but YouTube is a whole different beast. The growth of your channel would be based on the work that you do now. So many of the videos that I did last year are actually taking off now, and they're giving me more views, more subscribers. So it does take time to see results on YouTube. So if you're not willing to spend at least 6 months to a year of making videos and not actually seeing results, then YouTube is not for you. So for December 2019, I've made $836 with 60 cents. I'm gonna click here to show you how much money I've made on average on a daily basis. As you can see, on average, I made 20 something dollars per day. My highest date for the month of December was this one, which was $34.20. And you can see the amount of videos that I posted for the month, which was about 9 videos, I believe. I did 1,200 subscribers also for the month of December, and 92,000 views for that month. So now I want to show you the actual 2019, what we did in 2019 in terms of numbers, subscribers, views, everything. And you can see that for 2019, we did $7,526 in YouTube ad revenue. We also generated 12,200 subscribers and 897,000 views in the entire year. And I want to show you what a difference a year actually makes. I started making about $5 per day at the beginning of 2019. And in the beginning, when you're not making a lot of money on YouTube, you're pretty happy about just making $10 per day, $15 per day. But then as you make more videos, you start making a little bit more money because you start getting more views, more subscribers. And as you can see, we did a huge jump here from basically, $15 a day to about 20 something. And then it just stayed there, 20 something dollars per day for pretty much the rest of the year. I think the highest day that I had in 2019 was this one, which was basically almost $40 in that specific day. And then you continue to have ups and downs, and you keep making 20 something dollars per day. So I'm hoping that for 2020 I'll be able to surpass those $20 per day on average and just start making $50+ per day or more. Hopefully, if I'm able to post more videos, I get more views, hopefully one goes viral and I start making more money. But it's a very slow process. You can see the huge difference from January 2nd. I made $7 that day, up to the point of December 30, where I made $30 in that day. So you've probably seen other YouTubers post their annual earnings for YouTube, and I've seen some YouTubers who have made hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube, but they've been at it for 2-3 years, and they had multiple viral videos as well. So it's definitely a process. You have to upload videos. You never know if a video is going to go viral. You just have to keep doing it, and hopefully, as you're consistent, YouTube will actually push one of your videos and help you get more subscribers, more views, and make more money. For 2020, I'm hoping that I can double or triple this number and make more money, gain more subscribers, and best of all, provide more value using my videos. All right, so there you have it. Now you can see that I made a little bit over $7,500 in the last year in 2019. That's an average of about $600+ per month, which is not a lot of money, but still, it's a lot better than what I did in 2018, which was just 59 bucks. And of course, as you progress, as you upload more videos, you should be getting more views. You should be getting more subscribers and making more money. So in 2020, my focus will be to create videos that will get more views to rank on YouTube, because I know that's gonna bring subscribers and hopefully allow me to reach my goal of 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. We'll see what happens. We'll see if I make it. And I'm going to be documenting my whole journey again for you guys, so you can see what it takes to grow from a small YouTube channel. I have right now about 15,000 subscribers on my channel. And hopefully to get it to 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to need a bunch of videos that get a lot of views. And don't worry, I'm going to be documenting my monthly income on YouTube every single month, just like I did last year, to show you guys the progress. Depending on how many views I get, you'll be able to see how much money I make from the ad revenue on those videos and my views on a monthly basis. So I'm going to share all of that with you in the next coming months. So if you want to see it, just be sure to subscribe to my channel. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.